Honeybees are amazing insects. They live in a hive. It is a busy place. There are thousands of bees in a hive. All the bees work together. They have important jobs. Their work helps the hive survive. Honeybees make honey. They collect nectar from flowers. They turn the nectar into honey. Honey is food for the bees. It helps them survive the winter. Bees also make beeswax. They use beeswax to build their hive. Bees help pollinate plants. This is important for our food. Bees carry pollen from flower to flower. This helps plants make fruit and seeds. Without bees, we would have less food to eat. The queen bee is the most important bee. She is the mother of the hive. She lays all the eggs. The eggs hatch into new bees. The queen bee is larger than the other bees. She has a long abdomen. This is where she keeps her eggs. The queen bee does not leave the hive. She is always surrounded by worker bees. The worker bees take care of the queen. They feed her and groom her. They also protect her from danger. The queen bee can live for several years. Worker bees are all female. They do all the work in the hive. They clean the hive. They feed the larvae. They guard the entrance. They collect nectar and pollen. Worker bees have special jobs. Some bees are nurses. They take care of the young bees. Some bees are foragers. They collect nectar and pollen. Worker bees have a short lifespan. They only live for a few weeks. They work very hard during their short lives. Section 4. Drones, the hive's hopefuls. Drones are male bees. They are larger than worker bees, but they have no stinger. They do not collect nectar or pollen. The drone's only job is to mate with a queen. Drones fly out of the hive to find a queen to mate with. If a drone mates, it dies soon after. Drones that do not mate are eventually kicked out of the hive. They cannot survive on their own. Section 5. A home of wax the comb. The hive is made of beeswax. Worker bees make the beeswax. They use it to build honeycombs. The honeycombs are made of hexagonal cells. The cells have different purposes. Some cells are for storing honey, and some cells are for raising brood. Brood are the eggs, larvae, and pupae of bees. The hive is a warm and safe place for bees to live. It protects them from the weather and from predators. The hive is a marvel of engineering.